Welcome to the instructional video for Poolmate Hydro for a Sea Robotic Pool Cleaner. In the package, you'll find the robot, buoyancy cable, power box, and file envelope. Before use, please insert one end of the 12-meter buoyancy cable into the control box and tighten the nut. Power on. Slide the switch button to the on mark to turn on the cleaner, and the indicator will be steady on. Power off. Slide the switch button to the off mark to turn off the cleaner, and the indicator will be off. To select a cleaning mode after power on, slide the switch from on to off and back to on. Each time you do this, the indicator light will switch to a different mode. Repeat until you reach your desired cleaning mode. You should complete this selection within 5 seconds. Hydro for a sea cleaning modes and duration. After selecting the cleaning mode, put Hydro for a sea into the pool and let it sink to the bottom of the pool. The cleaner will start to work. At this moment, the indicator is in breathing state. Please release sufficient buoyancy cable into the water to ensure the robot can reach all pool areas. Insufficient cable length in the water may cause the robot to tilt upward or fail to clean properly. After cleaning is complete, Hydro for a sea will move to the floor edge automatically. Use the retrieval hook to lift it out of the water. Warning: do not pull the buoyancy cable to remove the robot, as this may cause breakage. After cleaning is complete, ensure the robot is powered off before cleaning the filter basket. Lift the handle and remove the filter basket. Open the top and bottom cover. Then thoroughly rinse both inside and outside with a water hose. To replace the middle filter, open the basket top cover and pull up to remove the middle filter, and insert the new one by aligning it with the guide slots. The side filters cannot be replaced individually. You need to replace the entire filter basket. App download. Scan the QR code on the screen or search for Poolmate bot in the App Store to download and install it. Place Hydro for a sea robot poolside and power on. Enable Bluetooth on your mobile phone. Open Poolmate bot app and click Get to Connect. Select your device's SN number and complete the connection when the Bluetooth connected icon appears. Please note that app control only works when Hydro for a sea is out of water. Select desired mode in the app and place the robot in pool to begin cleaning. Enable Ultra Clean mode to increase pump power and boost cleaning effectivity. If you want to schedule cleaning, please make sure the Hydro for a sea is powered on and out of water. Tap on Preset menu and set cleaning mode and desired cleaning time. Then place the robot in pool. It will start automatically at scheduled time. If you won't be using the robot for an extended period, 1. Disconnect the robot from the power supply. 2. Thoroughly clean the filter basket and place it into the robot. 3. Make sure there's no water left inside the robot. 4. Store in a cool and dry place indoors 41 to 113 degrees Fahrenheit. Here's the wrap on the Poolmate Hydro for a sea robotic pool cleaner instructional video. Enjoy using it.